Mary was formally charged with Aunt Hannah's murder and moved from Kirkcudbright Jail to Dumfries Prison, which used to stand right next door to the Sheriff Court. Her trial was set for the 8th of April 1862 and a judge and jury were appointed. The judge, Lord Deas, was a well-known hardliner, and the jury, because women were not considered for jury duty, was all male. The jail in Dumfries was old, unlike the new jail in Kirkcudbright, and it was in very poor condition. It had recently been partly burned down and rebuilt, which compounded the crowded and uncomfortable conditions there. On the day of the trial, hundreds packed out the courthouse to watch. Many witnesses were brought forward to testify. Agnes McClellan, Dr. Andrew Jackson, Robert Coates from Knocknalling Lodge and his wife Elizabeth, John McAdam of Knocknalling, Doctors Milman and Shand, both of Anne's brothers, William and Lockhart, Constable John Robson and the son of Dr. Milman, Robert. Then they cross-examined the girls who had been walking to school that morning. 16-year-old Agnes Sproat, 10-year-old Jane Barber and her 7-year-old sister Margaret, and Mary's own daughter Susan. They also brought in Mary's much younger daughter Margaret, but she was not questioned. More witnesses were called to help pull apart Mary's story before the evidence of Dr. McLagan concerning his examination of the murder weapons and blood-stained clothes that had been collected from both houses. And then, at just about 20 to 8 in the evening, Lord Deas directed the jury to consider their verdict. It took them just 30 minutes to decide that Mary was guilty of murdering Aunt Hannah. Lord Deas retook his seat and began to speak. As he spoke, the reality began to dawn on Mary that she was to be hanged, and she became distraught. Lord Deas ended his speech saying, "It only remains for me to pronounce upon you the last sentence of the law. The time of all of us in this world is short. With most of us it is uncertain. In your case, your days are numbered." Mary begged for her life as he spoke, crying out, "Oh, my Lord, dinna do that. Give me anything but that. Let the Lord send for me. And oh, my wains." A petition of 3,000 women asked Queen Victoria to change the sentence, but the Queen never saw it. The local MP, William Ewart, also asked for the sentence to be changed. Lord Deas did not change his mind. In prison, left unaware of the attempts being made to save her life, Mary became severely withdrawn and stopped eating. A gibbet was erected at the corner of what is now Irish Street and Buccleuch Street, where Mary was executed on the 29th of April 1862. She died begging for her children to be looked after.